Hello all, in this video we will discuss another reason which is called angles at a point. What is the meaning of angles at a point? So that means you will see a point, maybe here is a point O. So that every angle we add together on the O, you know, you must add all these angles, right? So that you know it immediately. This one is a round angle and this is 360 degree. So we call it angles at a point. So that means a point. That means all angles you have, and we will add them together on this point, and you will see this is 360 degree immediately. So make sure that you know how to do this reason. But what can we do? Because before we go to do the question, why don't we have some example to show you how to do it? Okay, now let's look at teaching example 11.3. You will see find x in the figure. Obviously, you will see this one is the point we have, and we can see this one we include all these three angles. One is x, one is xt, and one is 120. So we know that we add all these three angles together, you will got 360 degree, not 180 degrees. So make sure that you get it correct. So you have x plus 80 degree plus 120 degrees will equal 360 degrees. This is all angles, okay? At the preposition are point. This is the short form of a point. If you do not remember to write down the short form, you can write point and you will get it also correct. So this is x plus 200 degree and equal 360 degree, and finally x is 160 degree. We can solve this question immediately. Okay, now this is your turn. I will give you 30 seconds. Please do quick practice 11.3. Okay, now I will discuss the question, and if you cannot finish, just pause the video now. Okay, now we have three angles here together, so that we can add them all together with 360 degree. Once again, b plus 100 degrees plus 120 degrees equals 360 degree. And this one is called angles at a point. Okay, so you have this. So we have b plus 220 degree equals 360 degree. So b is 140 degree. Okay, so this one immediately you know how to do this. The one you learned before is called adjacent angles on straight line. That is 180 degree. But for angles at the point, this one is 360 degree. So make sure that you don't mix them up. Okay, so this is easy. Okay, now we'll go to a more difficult one question. This one is called the teaching example 11.4. So let's look at this video. We are going to find x and see. We see this one is the point O, and then we are going to find x. And then we have four angles on this point O, but it will include all 360 degrees. Why don't we do it at the same way? So don't be afraid, although you have C2x here, but you will do the same thing. You use the x plus, this is the first angle, next angle, x plus 26 degree, next angle, 28 degree, next angle 230 degree, and this one is 360 degree. Oh, I do not have the enough space for me to write down the reason. Why don't we write it a little bit lower here? Okay, so you can write something like this: angles at a point. And then now you can find out the answer for it. So you have 2x plus, this is 54 plus 230. So this is 284 degree and equals 360. So you have 2x equals, okay, let me move a little bit upward. And then we do the calculation and minus it, you will have 80 minus 4, that is 76. So x will equals 38 degree. Okay, so this is x. And now I'm going to consider AOC That means we will include this x plus 26 degree and also the 28 degree is an accrued angle. Accrued angle in Chinese is called 有角. I've told you in chapter 6. So we will go to chapter 6 and we'll go to chapter 11 next. Okay, so we will add them together. If it's smaller than 90 degree, that means this one is an accrued angle. Otherwise, this is not. Okay, now let us do the calculation here for part B. We'll look at this. We have these two angles only, so why don't we put down 38 degree plus 26 degree plus 28 degrees, which equal to angle AOC. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Angle AOC here is much better, but it's okay also. So we write that angle AOC will equals to 38 degree plus 26 is we have 3, 2, 2, this is 70, 8 is 16, so 86. Oh, I'm lucky, this is 90 degree, good. 92 degrees is greater than 90 degree. So, no, angle AOC is not an acute angle. Okay, so we finish this one. Okay, now it's your turn. I'll give you 30 seconds. This time, please find out by yourself. Okay, you will think that, x or y, Mr. Tan, can I write down 3x plus 116 degree here? And then we get 100 degree. I'm sorry about that. This one is not true because in this question, look at this. Just refer to the given figure. I do not tell you x or y is a straight line, so you are not allowed to use the 180 degree to add together. And also look at it, this is part B. Part B, we are going to ask you that these two angles add together will be 180 degrees. So I will ask you that you must find out the x with other reason before you can think this one is a straight line. Okay, so please make sure that you are not allowed to use 3x plus 116 degree to equal to 180. Also, at the same time, you are not allowed to use 84 degree plus 5x equals to 180 degree. They are both wrong because I do not tell you that x or y is a straight line. So you are not allowed to use this one. Okay, so I'll give you time for 30 seconds. Please try to find out x first. Okay, now if you cannot finish, just pause your video and we will start discuss the answer for you all. Okay, now let's look at the answer. Okay, now if we cannot use the adjacent angles on straight line, so what can we use? Why don't we use the angles at a point? Because all these four angles are add together. So why don't we write down 3x, first angle, plus 116 degree plus 5x plus the 84 degrees. And equals to 360 degree. This one is called angles at a point. Okay, so this is the first one. And then we have 8x equals 200 degree plus 200 degrees. And then we will have 690. Okay, it's plus 360 degrees. So you have 8x equals 160 degrees. So you know that x is 20 degree. Okay, now we are going to check part B. We're going to check x or y is a straight angle. So we are going to consider these two angles or these two angles. Is it true that we got this one is 120 degrees? So why don't we have B, part B? Angle x or y. Once again, 3 times 20 degree. Okay, 3x, 3 times 20 degree plus 116 degree. I think this one is not true. Okay, now this is 60 degree plus 116 degree. Oh, unlucky, this is 176 degree. It is not equal to 180 degree. So once again, so you cannot use adjacent angles on straight line here. If you use it, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so unluckily, no, angle XOY is not a straight angle. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now thanks for watching in this video. So make sure that you know how to use the angles at the point. You can use any type of the angles at the point, but we can know that in this question, we are not allowed to use some way in adjacent angles on straight line. Make sure that you know that this one is a straight line before you can use the adjacent angles on straight line. But you can use every type of angles at the point, except one way. You must have all these angles on this point. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.